Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here, and today we're doing an analysis on the NASDAQ and the S&P and the Dow Jones. So today, really and truly, we either see this happen either today or we'll see it happen next week. But I want a quarterly shift, right? Next week we have the quarterly close. So really and truly, as we can see here on the daily, price is quite low to Friday's lows. So we want this sell side swept, and we want down movement. So if I go on the weekly time frame, we can see that if price breaks below, if price breaks below this swing low, really and truly, we can see a market structure shift forming as we've been seeing a sharp projection from these highs. So price tapped into this zone, as you can see on the weekly, and it's displaced. So when we see a displacement, what does that mean? Bears are trying to sell the market. The market is very greedy, as we've had a lot of buy-in this whole year, just up movement. But now we're about to see some down movement. So right now, I'm waiting for these lows to get swept, which will either happen today or tomorrow. The lows have already been swept on the S&P, as you guys can see there. So S&P is already causing that market structure shift. So we can see there, those are my targets for the next 3 to 6 months that I want price to obviously go mitigate and obviously take out players out of the markets as there's sell stops there. So really and truly, overall, the next 3 to 6 months, I am bearish on the market. Very, very bearish. Now, if let's go to crypto real quick. Real quick. So I have this position sell that I do want to take on Bitcoin. Obviously I'm just waiting for a little retracement into that 28k level, and then we should see some down movement. With the way the economy is right now, I am expecting interest rates to get cut come into 2024. And for the Fed to turn on the printers. 2024 is a big year. We've obviously got this war going on right now, so I'm expecting just more chaos, more fear in the markets. That's really and truly what, the market makers want to do, supposedly. Let's just say these market makers, right? So bring fear into the markets, scare off retail, and institutions and banks can get into Bitcoin or other asset classes at cheaper prices, right? Same way we saw in 2020 with COVID, same thing's going to happen in 2024. It's just repeats. The market does change, but it's your job to adapt. So this is my thesis on Bitcoin. So yeah, these are kind of my targets for where I want to buy. Obviously, NFA. But those lows will get ran. 15k will get ran the next 6 months, and then we should see a test at those lows. So yeah, thank you for listening. I hope you guys had a good day, and yeah, let's get cracking.